In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a boundary in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you can do if you want to see borders and boundaries, you could go over here at the bottom left where it says layers, and you want to extend this. And then from here where it says borders and labels, you want to check this, and you'll now be able to see borders between countries and things like that, okay? So that's the first way to do this. But of course, if you want to draw like boundaries yourself, you could also do this very simply. So I'm just going to zoom in to a random part over here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're gonna go like in this section, for example, over here, and we're going to draw like a boundary over here. So let me show you the best way to do this. You want to go to the top over here where you can see there's a bunch of different buttons, and one of them, this one, is called Add Polygon. So you want to click on Add Polygon, and then you have to of course give it a name. I'm going to name this one a boundary like this. And then what I'm going to do is basically go to style and color, and you can change the lines and the area colors. So what I like doing over here is actually changing this to a different color, which is a bit more visible than the color white. So I'm going to make this one like red over here and click OK. And of course you can change the width as well. I'm going to go to 2 and leave the opacity at 100. Then here you have the area. So if you want area filled, you can do that. I do not want this, so I'm just going to leave it as an outline. You'll see what I'm talking in a few seconds. So after you do this, don't press OK, move this to the side over here and start drawing your boundary. So I'm just going to go with some random places over here. You can zoom in however much you want, and then you can start by adding your boundary. So just keep on clicking where the boundary is like this. As you can see, I'm creating my polygon. So there we go. We're just going to go like, for example, over here, and then we're going to go to this part like that. Okay. And now I'm just going to go like over here. And as you can see, we're essentially making a boundary. So we're going through. You can just click as many times as you need to actually create your perfect boundary. Now you can zoom in some more if you want to actually be able to be a bit more precise. I'm of course doing something completely random over here, so it may not make the most sense, but essentially that's how you make your boundaries. And then whenever you're done, you can always just click on any of these dots over here, and you can move them. So you can go in, out, you can move them around to be a bit more precise. And when you're ready, you can just click on OK, and you're good to go. We have your boundary over here. As you can see on the left, it's going to create one as well. If you want to make any corrections later, you can always right click on the boundary and click on properties, and you'll be able to change it from here. Okay, you could also add descriptions, images, local images. You can change your styles in here as well, so you can make this a bit thicker if you wanted to, like that, or whatever. Okay, so that's how to add a boundary in Google Earth Pro. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.